Hello, welcome to the Scope. Hi, nice to see you joining, and welcome to replay viewers too. Hi, tour guide Darren, we made it here. We're in a Muslim mosque. I gather it's yeah, we made it. I haven't got much voice today. I'm a little bit croaky, but I'll do my best. I gather this is the largest mosque outside in Israel, outside of the one at Jerusalem. And it really is quite amazing to look at. See the cage at the back right, up at the top. Yes, that green thing up there. I'm not sure we're allowed up there, Aaron. We're in this first entrance part. And I'll just show right the way around first. It says entrance for prayer only. So I feel a bit awkward going any further than there. Okay, now Aaron is explaining that up in that back corner where you can see that green cage, sort of right in the middle of the screen right now, the Muslims have a relic which is said to be a hair or lock of hair, not sure which because I've seen different descriptions since Aaron told me about this, from Muhammad's beard. So that's evidently kept up there. Oh, only Muslims can enter beyond the point you're standing. Okay, well at least I know I'm not doing the wrong thing then. I don't like to be respectful, even if it isn't something that's part of what I believe. I don't like to be disrespectful to other people. Hi Maybury. We're in Akko, which is in the north of Israel on the coast, and tour guide Aaron suggested we might like to visit this place. It's quite an unusual place. Let's see if we can go right up to the ceiling. Oops. Oh, the ceiling there. You did some research on Mount Carmel. Oh, good. The Haifa synagogue is built by somebody of the same design. Yes. Okay. I thought it did. That was my first impression of it. Okay, this is said to be the largest mosque outside of Jerusalem. Yes, Mount Carmel is where Elijah battled Baal. And I was standing close to that spot yesterday. By the way, I asked tour guide Aaron what that young man had told me, that it was supposedly the site that where Elijah ascended to heaven. He agreed with me that the young man had it wrong. So we were right in thinking that it was near the Jordan River, near the site Qasr al-Yahud. Okay, well, I'll go and show you the outside now, okay? Okay, I can't see the comments for just a moment till I get into a position where I've got the phone in outside of the sun. But, there's a foot washing station, okay. Is that what I'm looking at the moment, Darren? Oh, it is too. Yes. So this is where they wash the feet. You can see the tap down there in front of me now. Muslims wash hands and feet before prayer. Okay. The Jewish people just wash their hands, is that right? It's quite an impressive building. I'll move around so that you can see a bit more. Just got to be on watch for little steps here. Used to wash for the feet as well. Oh, okay. When I get a little bit mosque because it looks quite impressive from further away. There's quite a big courtyard here. Somehow foot washing fell out of practice, yes. Oh look, here's a map of Acre. We'll have a little quick look at that. There you go. And Acre, of course, is a biblical site too. It's called Akko in different places in the Bible. It's called Ptolemy in the New Testament, and the Apostle Paul came to this place in the New Testament. So we're going to be looking around some other things later. We had a later start this morning. I walked up too many steps yesterday and kind of wrecked my back a little bit. And burst a blood vessel in my leg at the same time. Yes, in this place. Yes, the Apostle Paul was in Acre. And I'll show you around some other parts near the harbour where he would have been, because he came into the harbour a bit later on. But here we are. We're looking back at the mosque here. It's a little bit in darkness here. I'll try and get a better position. Hold on. Around here, perhaps in this corner might be better, where we can see the front. The lighthouse is a good place. Oh, thanks, Aaron. I'm kind of against the sun a little bit, aren't I? There's the mosque we were just in. Let's just move a little bit further over here. There's not a lot of people here. Oh, this is a better position. Hopefully it will show better. I've still got the sun against me. Can you see it okay? Because it's very hard to see the screen here. Some of the buildings were built by the Romans. Well, these particular ones weren't. This one dates back to the 1700 and something or other. And it was built in the time, I think, of the Turkish occupation here. So it's quite an impressive thing. I'll just walk around and see what else is here. Oh, okay. I'll walk in that direction then. I didn't read a lot about Al-Jazzar. This wasn't originally on my plan to do today, but I was chatting with tour guide Aaron a bit earlier and he suggested it was a good place to go. We intended spending the whole day here, but unfortunately I had a bad night and we didn't get going too early this morning. So, that looks almost like a sundial type thing. He was governor of the area for the Ottomans. Yeah, I did see a reference to him, the butcher or something. I'm trying to be very quiet about what I say. I haven't got much voice today, but I don't really want to say anything that's people here might find a problem either. Oh, it does mean that. Okay. Now let's have a look up at the top there. I haven't got the sun behind me anymore, so there we are. Caesarea Philippi. I think we are, yes. We're certainly going up in that direction. I have actually been there before, and I think I was planning to scope there. I can't quite remember everything that's on the list, but yes, we're planning to go up that way. Now, you said the tomb was here. Is that what I'm looking at the moment, Aaron? Yes, Caesarea Philippi is Banias, yes. Yes, that young fellow was wrong. I thought he was. I think he just got very mixed up. He was only a youngster. I mean, I suppose in his 20s or 30s, and I just felt he was mixed up, and That's why I left my husband talking to him, and I walked around and scoped to you guys because I thought that he just didn't quite know what he was talking about. Oh, by the way, Aaron has done a scope on the Elijah's cave, so you can find it in Catch, and he's also got an edited version in YouTube as well. So look for Tour Guide Aaron's scope in Catch. Yeah, that says the grave of Ahmed Pasha Al-Jazzar and Suleiman Pasha. I hope this is okay to scope in here. Nobody seems to be bothering me, and I think I'm respectfully dressed enough. I'm well covered up. Well, a bit hard to see through the window. He used to cut off the noses and ears of people who loved. He sounds a delightful man, doesn't he, then? Okay, I'm standing right next to the mosque entrance now, so you can see the whole. That's about as far as I can go around. Okay, Aaron, is there anything else I should look at here? Oh, that's why they called him the butcher. Yeah, I don't think I'd want to be his friend. Okay, Aaron, is there anything else we should look at while we're here? Or if not, I'll finish the scope and we'll go somewhere else and see what else we can find for you. Well, that's pretty much it. Okay, look, I'll say goodbye. Does anybody want to share this scope before I close it? If so, share it now. Because it is quite an impressive sight. Thank you. Yeah, I'm not very well today at the moment, Jag. The Turkish Bath Museum. Yeah, we haven't been there. That was on my to-do list. So I'll see if I can find that. So anybody wanting to see this and go to Ararat. Ararat is in Turkey. That's not in Israel, okay? The British Prison Museum at Atlit. Okay, we're not going to have to. I don't think we'll have time for that, Aaron, because that would close this afternoon before we go past. We leave Haifa today, so we move on to. Who's swearing there? Sorry, I'm nearly. Oh, okay. No, we won't manage it today. We move to Tiberias tomorrow, so this is our last day based in Haifa. We're just going to have to come back again. At the Saria building. Okay, I'll have to find a map or find it on Google Maps. Thank you, All Movement. Nice to see you in the scope. Yeah, I'll find the trolls afterwards and block them, but there haven't been too many. I mean, they really shouldn't troll me. We visit the areas under the Palestinian Authority as well as the areas under Israel Authority, so they should want to see those things, I think. And they should be quite happy that I'm scoping at a mosque. So there we are. Sorry, I don't speak Arabic. I'd prefer it if you would speak in English, please, because that's my language. You want to see Sea of Galilee? Yep, start looking from tomorrow onwards, okay? Okay, look, I'm going to finish the scope here and see you again very soon. Okay, bye.